This is a tutorial on how to access the publisher's URL address for one of the sources within your APA skills assessment. What we have discovered is that it was difficult for students to access this information given the way that the sources were printed and listed within the APA skills assessment. So to explain a little bit more, let's go to the APA skills assessment. Go to Content, go to Unit 2, and scroll down until you get to the APA skills assessment and open it up. You're asked to create a references page using 4 articles that are listed with screenshots. 3 of the 4 you should be able to deal with without much difficulty, but one of them has a little bit of a problem. And that article is the one from Wade, Sonnert, Sadler, and Hazari. This article does not have a DOI number, and so you need to find the publisher's URL. Because it is a screenshot, you can't click on the source as you normally would if you had this citation open within the database. And the other method for finding the publisher's URL, which is to Google the name of the journal, does not yield the correct result. So my recommendation to you all is that you actually open this article up within the Ebscohost database. So let's do that. What you're going to need to do is go to the home page of MyDTCC and then click on Resources. There you will see the Delaware Tech Library databases, and you want to click on Ebscohost. Click on Ebscohost once again, and now you're going to choose your specific databases. Just for safety's sake, we'll click both Academic Search and Master File and continue. And now to find the specific article, we're going to type the first several words of the title and see if we can access it. So we're going to type instructional experiences that align with conceptual understanding. So instructional experiences that align with, already forgotten the rest of it, conceptual understanding. And you want to make sure that you spell everything correctly, and then click search. You should be able to access the article that way, at this point you want to click on the title to get the full citation. Now you'll see the citation as it is in the screenshot within the APA Skills Assessment assignment. But this time you have a live link to the journal. So if you simply click on this journal, you'll be taken to another page, and if you look around, you will find the publisher's URL address. So please use that in your references page for this assignment. Hopefully that will help you and kind of fix the little bit of a issue that we had with this particular source. And good luck to you.